So I'm looking down and I can see that there is one here that doesn't look right. See, all the rest look straight down, this one doesn't. So instead of taking everything apart, all you could just do is release that loop, just like that, and then turn it the way it should have been, and then refeed it. Now's the time to do it. Now you can go as far down as you want to in order to do that, just releasing them all in a row and then just re-loop them back up to the top. So let's just say that you see something down here and it's really bothering you. You don't need to take this all apart. Remember, everything is working sets of 2. So what you can just do is just dismantle. So let's go down back to here and we can dismantle the top 2 that's in that same section, and we can just continue to dismantle ourselves to go back down. So if something was wrong down there, you can just go back without having to frog everything, and you can fix whatever's wrong down here. In order to go back, look at the same one, and we know this is a crisscross, so then just grab the loop that's right above it to come down to secure that one back up. Get the other loop to secure it back up. See, that looks the same. Now we know the other one here. Okay, we know that that's gonna be just straight up. Okay, because it was straight up down here, and we know this is a crisscross. So I'm grabbing the available loops just straight up without having to take everything apart. You can tell I've had to do that a few times.